How to block a user on SoundCloud. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to block any user on SoundCloud fast and easy. So all what you have to do, go to SoundCloud. Now this is the home page. Let's just choose any user. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, if you want to block someone, just go to his profile and click on those three dots, and you will find the block user option here down below. You can click on it and then click block, and the user will be blocked. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much.